Today I'm going to show you how to stir fry noodle, and here is my ingredient. So I have a noodle. This is Hokkien noodle, but you can use any kind of noodle that you want, like egg noodle, Singapore noodle, any thick of kind of noodle. So here is my veggie. I have some veggie. Here is 1 carrot, half of pepper, green pepper, and half of red pepper, and half of yellow pepper, and some bean, and 1 piece of cabbage, and I cut into the strip, everything into the strip like that. And this broccoli, I've been around 2-3 pieces of broccoli, and I cut into 4 like this. And any veggie optional you like, you can cook with bok choy, green veggie, and bean sprout, anything of the veggie that you like. But I'm going to have what I have in the fridge, so I'm going to cook. And here I have 2-3 pieces of garlic, chop it up, and 1 small of ginger, chop it up too. And I have around 200 grams of pork that I've been slicing. This is your choice. You can also cook with chicken, with beef, even with the seafood, but I have pork, so I'm going with it. And I have with 2-3 spring onion. I've been chopped it up for seasoning, for the last one. So the sauce, I have 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and this is optional. This is chicken meat powder, and I like to use 1 tablespoon. This is if you don't like, you no need to use. And I have 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. You can also use brown sugar. And here's cooking oil. So now let's start cooking. So now let's cooking. Here I have a wok, and I turn in high heat, and I've been put cooking oil 2 tablespoons in my wok. So now I heat it up a little bit and become a bit hot. So now I'm going to put my garlic into my wok and ginger. So just keep stir fry it until it smell and get brown. The flavor coming. Keep stirring. So let it around couple minutes to bring the flavor coming up. So now my garlic and my ginger are starting to brown. I'm going to add my pork that I've been slicing like this, not very thick, have to thin, so that going very well when you stir fry. So I'm putting here. Mix very well with my garlic and ginger. Stir fry it. Let the meat a bit turning color, like around 3 to 4 minutes stir fry. So my pork around 3-4 minutes now, the color is changing, and I'm going to put all my sauce in. So I'll put my sauce. Dark soy sauce, bring it out from my plate, my oyster sauce into the pot, into the wok, my sugar, chicken cut. So I put all the sauce into my wok and just the good meat together. you could make like that. And I'm going to cook the sauce with the pork maybe around a couple minutes. So that thicken the sauce up with the meat. So now my sauce a bit thickened with my pork, so I'm going to put my veggie. I'm going to put my carrot first because already carrot needs some time to cook. And my broccoli. Then we will mix with this. We'll make for a couple minutes stir fry. So now I put my veggie around couple minutes. I'm going to put all my veggie here in my pot and mix all together very well and let it cook maybe a couple minutes more. So now my veggie almost done and everything going together and the sauce getting very thick together. So I'm going to add my Hokkien noodle in here. And time to mix the noodle very well with the veggie and the sauce. And put in high heat. To cook the noodle with the sauce and veggie maybe around a couple minutes to let the noodle cook through. So now my noodle cook around 2-3 minutes now, almost done. So the last minute I'm going to put my chopped onion into here to have a good smell, extra flavor. So give a good stir like that. And now time to turn off the flame and done. Look at that. The colorful of veggie and the noodle. So here is my stir-fry noodle. So here is my stir-fry noodle. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Please like and share and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.